Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from WearView, and today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create professional clothing, photos with the help of AI models. So for this purpose, we are going to be using WearView.co. It's great. Our team at WearView, we work really hard to bring you the utmost, fashion model photo shoot with the help of AI as easy as possible. We try to make it as easy as possible. So let's go ahead and let's learn how you can create professional clothing photos with the help of AI, which is nothing but by using WearView. So first and foremost thing, what I want you to do is just go ahead, go into wearview.co and then create your very own account and log into your account if you already have your account. So next, what I want you to do is just go ahead and click on Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, it will ask you, what do you want to create today? Because WearView has a lot of services for you. It can create AI tryout studio, turns AI product to model, which we'll be using today, AI fashion video, AI model creation, AI ghost mannequin, AI pose control, AI consistent models, AI model swap. These are some of the features or some of the services that WearView provides. So we want product to model because we want our products to, to be worn by some great looking models. So we'll click on this service that WearView provides. Next, we will be asked to upload our images for our products. We'll select our products. So we'll click on the Add Image button and go ahead and choose some of the images that I have from my product or from my clothing store. So this is a front view and this is the back view. You can also upload 2 more images if you want. And if you don't know how it works, you can just click on see how it works. It will give you a clear-cut instruction what works and also the common mistakes that you should avoid. So if you have some doubts, please take a look at everything up clearly. You can see you can use this kind of images. They should be clear and they should be direct, and you can skip. You should not upload images which has a lot of complicated things and stuff like that. Make sure simple images, make sure to choose simple images. For example, the ones that you're shown at the top. It's great. After we are done selecting or uploading our product, we'll click on the next button right here. Next, we have the option to select our model. You can choose if you have a model, like if you have a person that you want to use as a model, you can just click on the choose file button. And if you don't know how it works, again, you can just click see how it works, and it will just tell you what works and what the common mistakes you should avoid. You can use these kind of images which just looks really nice with a solid background with a great pose, and you can skip the mumbo jumbo complicacy. The AI just don't like it. Make sure simple things are just the best. Remember that. So what I'll do here, I'll just click on the My Models button because WearView already has a great collection of models. Now, this is something that I have created myself previously, so I will go to my models, or you can go to model library. I'm so sorry. We'll go to model library, and here we have a list of all the women or the female models that you can choose from. Nina looks great. Sophia looks pretty as well. And if you want, you can also choose male here. Great, selection from male models, AI models, of course. Kofi, Arjun, Daweet, amazing, really handsome looking guys. But for this video, I'll choose women, and I'll choose, let me see whom to choose. Well, this is very difficult. There are so many beautiful ladies out there. Whoa. Well, let me choose Camila right now. She's amazing. I have selected Camila. The next thing that we have to do is just click on the next button. Now, you have to generate prompts for your product shot. Now, this helps you to understand, just shows you what to do and what common mistakes that you should avoid. But if you are if you don't have much idea about prompting, if you don't know what to do, you can also use a copy a prompt to get started feature. Our team at WearView has already created some great prompts for you guys, this is for e-commerce, this is for lifestyle, street view, editorial, luxury. So for this video, I'll choose e-commerce. I'll just copy it, I'll close it, and then paste it over here. If you want, you can also enhance the prompt, just clicking on the enhance button. It will use the power of AI to enhance the prompt to make it better, and within a few seconds it will be done, and you have 3 options of the prompt, so you can go ahead and choose it. You can also it supports multilingual as well. Just go ahead and describe it in your own language if you want. Once the prompt is done, it's an optional, by the way. You can skip it if you want. There is no need. And next thing we have to do is select our quality of the image. You can select from HD to 2K to 4K. I would suggest you to stick to 2K. If you want the best of the best, then of course 4K is your best friend. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. Number of images, you can choose, if you want, you can create 4 images. But for this video, I'll choose 1. And for the aspect ratio, I'll choose the default aspect ratio, which is 3:4. It's pretty great. If you want, you can just go ahead and choose 1:1. But for this video, like I said, I'll choose default. And then finally, we'll click on the generate button. Now this will take around 1 to 1.5 minutes of your time. So in the meantime, I want you to go ahead and drink a glass of water, because I know you haven't been hydrating. Okay, so within a short interval of time, we waited around like 30 seconds, I guess. We have the image right here. If you want to just take a look at in a bigger way, in a much better way, this is the dress right here, and it just looks really good in Camilla. Yeah, Camilla was her name, and it just looks pretty good. You can also flip it horizontally if you want. I like this one better. But if you're not happy, but by any chance, if you're not happy with the prompt here, you can just go ahead and choose refine. It will just refine the prompt and it will regenerate the image again. And along with that, you have other options as well, which is AI try on studio, AI pose control. You can just change the pose, which we'll be discussing in later videos. AI fashion videos, turn it into a video, which is amazing. Or AI swap, like model swap, which we will be explaining, or we'll be taking a look at in another videos. But if you are happy with it, like I am, I'll just click on the download button and we'll save it to my computer. If you just click on it, and this is the image that has come up, and for some reason I disappeared. Here I am again. I disappeared again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, let me just reduce the size of it. That's a very annoying bug I'm facing. Well, if you're happy with it, as you can see, you have already downloaded it. But if you're not happy with it, you can just click on the try again button, and it will just generate another image for the same address that you have uploaded, or the same product that you have uploaded. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Have a great day. This is Victor from WearView. If you have any queries, please leave it in the comment box down below. And yeah, if you have any sorts of doubts, please comment. Like I said, please subscribe for more videos just like this one. And also, please don't forget to like, as it will make my day. Well, that's it. This is Victor signing out.